How to fix unable to backup messages in WhatsApp. So what you need to do is launch your WhatsApp app and go to your settings, and here you need to tap on chats. After that, you can see the option called chat backup. Just tap on it and you can see if what Google account your account is associated with, and make sure everything is properly done set up here, like if your Google account or Google Drive account is set up here or not. If not set up, you may just set it up by tapping on managing Google Stories and managing Google account, and tap on it and add your account. And another reason may be because your Google Stories has been full. So what you may do is just delete the unnecessary files that you may have in your Google Drive. That will help clear up space for your chat to be backed up. So in that way, you can fix your unable to backup messages in WhatsApp easily. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.